Hi everyone, this is Samuel at Escape Trailer. We have just released a new video on the inventory process. We have done a little bit of a change here, so it's important that you watch this video to understand the new process. You will find the description, the link to the description below, and it's also on our website. Welcome everyone at Escape Trailer. My name is Samuel and I'm here with
Melissa.
Today we are talking about the next upcoming inventory trailer, which will be a 21 Classic.
Very nice, actually. This one is really good. It is really good for again boondocking because it has all the lithium dual 6-volt batteries and solar panels and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
One of the questions I do get a lot of these is because on our build sheets that we do, we don't install the table, we don't install the slider, and we don't install the steps. Now, this is for you to design after when you get the trailer. So with this one, you have an option of two different pedestals. One is our standard pedestal that has the two poles. And then the other one that we have is the marine pedestal, the Springfield marine pedestal, and that one can be installed as well.
And when Melissa, when you get it after, so what we're referring to here is if you purchase this trailer, it's still here. At that point, Melissa will call you and she will ask you which table would you like to have. So you don't take it home and get it done. We'll do it for you.
Right, absolutely. Exactly. And the same goes with the steps. So if you decide that once you purchase the trailer that you would like a high lift axle a lift kit, changing things up, you can opt to have the dual steps as well. We won't install those until you've made that decision when you've purchased the trailer.
Very good. Yeah, so the choice is yours. Melissa, I noticed this has an air conditioning and it also has the heat strip. Now, The heat strip is a wonderful addition if you're doing a lot of camping on campgrounds with power. Now, what you can do then is you can use the air conditioning to heat your trailer. It won't be as powerful as the propane furnace, but it may take the chill out in the morning, for instance, and it also is dry heat, so it can potentially reduce the moisture content in your trailer.
That's always a good thing because we breathe moisture, so it's good.
Mm-hmm. How about the color code on this one?
So this one's really nice. Now we do have the high pollen and fluorine, so it's nice light fluorine to keep it more and look bigger and nicer inside. It's got the Gallio granite. Now this is something that we've had around for years, and it's a really nice, steady, great granite or Formica top. Now Kelso Champagne is a little bit more abstract, but it is one of their staples in our trailers as well for the fabric. It doesn't show a lot of dirt and stuff like that, so it's very nice when you're camping, especially when you've got kids.
Awesome. And then all the details will be on the build sheet on the website. I think we probably leave it at that for today. We will reach out again Friday in a week.
That's right. All right.
All the best, and Escape Trailer is
built for you.